People keep asking me, what's the best way to start with AI? It all begins with learning how to communicate with AI. Understanding this important concept will set you up for success in incorporating AI into your small business. So let's get started and stick around until the end for some free training to help you get started with implementing your own AI strategy. At its most basic level, AI communication starts with chat. Text-based AI like ChatGPT is designed to chat with you, just like in your favorite messenger apps. It can handle customer queries, book appointments, and even engage users into buying your products. This is where many small businesses are starting, and it's evolving quickly. But chat is just the beginning. AI communication technology is already pretty advanced. Let's see where we currently are today. First, let's start with images. AI can now view and understand images. We can attach an image to ChatGPT and the AI will recognize objects, people, and even emotions. AI can also generate new images, creating custom graphics and enhanced visual communication. I admit in the beginning it was a bit rough with people having 6 or 7 fingers, but the quality is improving quickly. Next, we have voice interaction. AI can listen to audio and respond back with more audio. It can even do this in different languages, providing seamless, multilingual output. AI voice assistants like 11 Labs are making online interactions more personal and dynamic. Moving on to video communication, AI tools like HeyGen can create AI-generated videos of humans, including clones of you and me. Imagine this, a virtual assistant that looks and sounds just like you, interacting with your customers right inside the app. The current level of AI video technology is making this a reality, from generating realistic avatars to editing video content. And here's the exciting part. All these technologies are converging. We're already seeing early versions of AI avatars. Imagine a virtual assistant that combines text, image, voice, and video capabilities. These avatars can interact with you and your customers in a fully immersive way, providing a seamless and engaging experience. This is the future of AI communication. These advancements are not just futuristic, they're happening now, and they're revolutionizing how we will soon do business. So what's the lesson? The time to begin your AI transformation is now, starting with chat and AI chatbots. Text-based AI chat is the ground level where AI communication is being defined. And you know what? It's pretty easy to program and train AI chat for your specific needs and business. AI chatbots are developing fast and will soon be much more powerful. I can't wait to see where things go as AI chat, voice, and video technology all converge. If you're interested in getting started, check out our free AI agency playbook to learn more about AI chatbots and implementing them into your sales and marketing, both for you and your clients. Small businesses need AI communication tools, and now is the time to incorporate AI chatbots into your business strategy. And if you're new and looking to start an online business, AI chatbots are the big opportunity for 2024. Ready to start integrating these tools into your business? Grab my free AI agency playbook and take your first step today. Visit my website or comment AI playbook and we'll send it right over so you can get started today. The future of AI is here. Let's enjoy it together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.